lovely friends, here's a sneak peek of using really simple things from around the house and garden to create a piece of art with your upcycled furniture. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I've got a really exciting and unusual thing for my channel. Here's the before and here's the after sneak peek of what I'm doing today with 2 side tables for a friend's birthday. So welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you to all my subscribers and my lovely members. Welcome. Happy birthday to Silver Dove and MJ Fluid Art. It's a special edition today, and here's a piece of their art. Wish you a very special day. And today it's one of my lovely friends, Jan's, her 60th birthday coming up in a couple of months. And I've created art on these side tables especially for her. And welcome again to another Talent Tuesday, where my wonderful friend Kim from Kim's Art Alchemy and I are doing whatever we fancy. So I'll put the link for her creation video in the description and comments below. It was so serendipitous how I had 2 side tables that I was wanting to flip and create into art, and Jan wanted 2 side tables. So I started off with that Leyland primer and gave it 2 coats of that, and then 6 coats of this beautiful paint that I created for her. The palette that she wanted was Dove Grey, and I've used these very simple golds and pinks and white and a little bit of red to create the piece she wanted. I sent her a few photos of things I thought she might like, and then she gave me the go ahead, and I just used my artistic way and just created what felt right. So after using my masking tape all the way around the side, I used a bit of water and spray bottle and dampened my acrylic paint. It was a really hot day when I started to paint, and so it's really good to keep the paint nice and wet and also to blend really easily. So just literally a tiny spray bottle here and there, just to very, very gently keep the acrylic paint nice and wet and damp. So as I use my sponge, this is literally a kitchen sink sponge. You can get it from Lidl's or any hardware store, really cheap, about 30p for a pack. And I'm using different sponges to dip in my different coloured paints that you could see on my little palette there, which is the back of a bamboo stick box. I always use whatever's around me to create what I'm creating. And I'm using bits of gold and pink and building up the layers so that the outside of the whole painting is going to be very slightly dark, like a charcoal grey. And then inside I'm building up white and light with the pinks and the golds. So enjoy this part of the process. It's really therapeutic. I absolutely loved it. Have a think about how you can use things around you in this really simple process of using a sponge, some acrylic paint, and making sure you have a really good varnish so that everything is sealed. And so you're taking this old piece of furniture and giving it loads of love and life, and you're giving it a great sealant, and then it can last you for many years to come. So enjoy the process. These are actually weeds from the garden. They're really pretty weeds, and they did such a good job. And I'm literally just dipping them in the black paint and then putting in a bit of gold on top of the black and a bit of charcoal to give it a soft effect. So enjoy the process. I'll put some music on, and I shall see you towards the end and talk you through how I sealed these pieces and the end results.
feeling? How are you feeling now? When all the pieces seem like they can't be found, I'll be the friend that is standing there. I'll be the hand holding all your cares. I see you now, I'm not going anywhere. We'll find our way back home. We'll find our way back home. No, we'll never have to walk alone. We'll find our way back home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. We'll find our way back home. Not gonna step back, not gonna step back now. We're flying higher, we're gonna reach the clouds. I'll be the friend that is standing there. I'll be the hand holding all your cares. I see you now, I'm not going anywhere. We'll find our way back home. We'll find our way back home. No, we'll never have to walk alone. We'll find our way back home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. We'll find our way back home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. We'll find our way back home. We'll find our way back home. No, we'll never have to walk alone. We'll find our way back home. I'm coming home. We'll find our way back home. Troubles at your door. Come on, let's tell it, time to go. If there's one thing that I know, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it through. One step becoming two. 'Cause as long as we are breathing, there's reason for believing. We're gonna make it through. There's nothing we can't do. There's nothing we can't do. Thunder gonna roll, but the night is where we glow. Everything will come and go. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it through. One step becoming two. 'Cause as long as we are breathing, there's reason for believing. We're gonna make it through. There's nothing we can't do. There's nothing we can't do.
So happy birthday to Pietro, Jill and Linda, my July babies. And happy early birthday to Jan. So to my dear friends, thank you so much for being here. Here's a little happy birthday to you four, and this piece of art for you, Jan. I hope that when you receive it, you love what I've done for you. I really do. And that it lasts for a long, long time for you. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Jan, Pietro, Jill and Linda. Happy birthday to you. So I'm coming towards the end now of finishing my second piece. I sat in my art room with the door open, looking into the garden as I was painting, and I had so much inspiration for this piece, and I was thinking of exactly what my friend Jan wanted, and I was just putting so much love into it, and I knew that she wanted hearts and soft colours, pinks and soft greys. So enjoyed painting this piece, and at the end you'll see how the balloons here are floating down and one piece, and they're floating up in the other piece. Now this is really satisfying. Once varnishing it off 6 different layers, I was just taking the masking tape off and just seeing those clean lines, because this is the moment you think, oh my god, is anything going to chip off? But it didn't. Everything was fine. So that was a phew moment. So taking off the masking tape, I then put a further 2 coats of varnish on the whole of the piece, and I was just so pleased at how it turned out. Liquitex Gloss Varnish is such a brilliant varnish. I'll put a link at the end as to how I achieve a resin like finish with this Liquitex Gloss Varnish, and I use water and varnish because it makes it less sticky, and it gives you more time to put the varnish on, and it also layers up so nicely. It gives it such a lovely shine. So here we are. Here's the finished pieces. What do you think? Would you turn your furniture into a piece of art? Would you like these as your side tables? These could be winging their way to my lovely friend Jan for her birthday, and I'm so pleased to have done them for her. Thank you so much for being here. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And now we're over to the amazing Kim and wonderful friend from Kim's Art Alchemy. Let's go and check out her channel and see what she's created today. Thank you so much for being here. I'll pop all the details in the description below, including Kim's link, and I'll also put all the details for this video and Kim's video in the comments below. So please subscribe if you haven't already. Keep shining, and don't forget your art is a piece of you. I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.